Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by choosing one high-value task and committing to it. This creates direction. Once chosen, set a 25-50-minute timer so your brain knows there is a fixed work window. Make sure to remove the 3 biggest distractions. Silence your phone, turn off notifications, clear visible clutter. Prepare essentials like water and a light snack to avoid breaks. This immediate reset signals your brain to shift into focused mode. And why it works is because structure reduces choice paralysis and friction. Once the first session lands, build momentum with micro goals, break your task into 3 6-specific actions, and tick them off as you go. This creates visible progress and releases small rewards in your brain. Alternate focused work blocks with short movement breaks. Stand, stretch, or walk for 5-15 minutes, so your attention resets naturally. Use low-level ambient sound or white noise at moderate volume to mask interruptions. Together, these steps maintain energy, reduce burnout, and explain why focus becomes sustainable over months. You finish by reviewing for 5 minutes. Note what helped and what broke your focus so you can iterate. If attention collapses, shorten work blocks to 10-15 minutes and rebuild gradually. This lowers the entry cost and trains stamina. Make sure to log patterns for 3-7 days to identify your peak focus times and recurring interruptions. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing improves, check sleep, caffeine, and stress. Addressing those physiological limits often restores baseline focus faster than technique adjustments alone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.